like a shooting range.
Get ready to lose.
I'm aiming to win.
So am I.
Smoking
I
gun.
know how to handle a plunger. Watch and learn.
Ease away. Cool. Ah! Wasted plunger.
I'm trigger happy.
Next. Nothing to it.
Crap.
That's right. Nice.
No!
There we go.
Really?
Almost. I was clearly made for this.
Shooting plungers isn't real shooting.
That looks like an elevator over there. We have to cross over.
Yeah. But that's a deep pit. Where are we going?
Only one way out. Up.
They're back with their crazy saws! Hey! The high!
Yeah, I can see it. Let's clean up these stragglers. Ooh, we got one.
Give me a match here! Oh, whoa.
What is this place?
I don't know, but they look pretty angry.
Yeah, they do. Oh, you ready for this?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, stupid question.
Damn! Zap isn't sticking to it!
What about these pits beneath? This shell is too strong.
Wait. Don't kill me. I'm just a beetle. I don't even like the wasps.
So why are you on their side?
I'm a mercenary. I fight for anyone who pays me food and shelter.
What food? Huh? Worms? Slugs? Larvae?
No, I'm a vegetarian and gluten-free. I get paid in nectar.
Oh, okay. Well, you know the queen? She has all the nectar.
Huh?
So if you help us take her down, you can have as much nectar as you want.
I can?
Yes, you can have it all.
Oh, yummy. Oh. What are we waiting for? Come on, jump on! Oh, here we go. Nectar!
Make it jump, Cody!
I'm trying!
Hey, Beetle, slow down! Cody, slow him down!
I can't! Stop actually driving!
Ugh, more down wasps!
Shoot them! Kill them, eh?
Stop backseat shooting!
Oh, nectar! Yummy! Oh, here I go. Nectar! Is that nectar?
No, definitely not!
Oh!
Hey, you better not get us killed if you want that nectar!
Nectar?
No! Still no! Shoot them! Nice one, May!
Oh, here I go. Nectar!
Hey, Beetle! We're running out of prey!
I got this! I believe!
Come on!
Intruders! How dare you challenge the Queen?
Listen, we know you're not the real queen.
Yeah, you're a robot!
Liars! I'm the Supreme Wasp Queen! She's a Supreme Wasp Queen! Exactly! Attack! I'll squash you! Ha! Your useless sap tickles!
Oh, listen to her! We're slowly chipping away!
Oh!
Spread out!
Let you scuffle around, land insects. Slash them up. Cut them good.
What the? Are you... Oh, look, it's a little bumblebee.
Oh, she's actually really furry and sweet.
Yeah.
No, no, no! I am the Wasp Queen!
No, no, no. I told you. See, it's a robot.
It's a stupid bumblebee!
No! Wait! Don't hurt me!
Look, it's Nectar! She's kept nectar for us!
Oh, don't take my nectar!
Let's kill them all!
Hey!
Wait!
Do something!
Cody, shoot the nectar tank.
Okay.
Let's see if this stinks.
Go, let her.
Are you okay?
I have nothing to live for now. I'm no longer a Wasp Queen. What's the point if you can't be special?
But you are special. You are one of the noblest pollinators in nature.
I am?
Yeah, of course. Bees pollinate crops that feed 90% of the human population. Without you guys, well, humans would just die.
He's right.
Really? So I am special?
No! You're a traitor! And you two, why haven't you killed the traitor?
She helped save us.
Yeah, I'm special.
Yeah, and all the wasps have gone. I mean, we don't need to kill her, do we? Huh?
Oh, so you're on the same team now? Shoot them all!
Hey, north, north!
Good luck.
Hey! Take us with you!
Hey, we just saved your furry ass!
Come on, Cody! Over here!
Leave that...
You drive!
What? Hey, this is a plane! It's not a station wagon!
Just fly!
Where's the gas? Ugh.
Hold your fire! Man the cannons! I want air coverage! Cold nuts! Hunt them down! Go, go, go!
Hey! You see? Never underestimate my underwear!
Oh, stop raising your pants! Focus on flying!
All right, I'm revving it! I'm revving it!
Don't crash into anything!
What? You just help me out and clear the way? Shoot something! Shoot! Shoot!
Wow! And I thought the match gun captured her.
Yeah, no kidding! What kind of explosive acorn did you put in that thing?
Cody, the gates are closing! Pump it!
Going as fast as I can! Crap! Hey! Hey, look!
I've got it! Come on! Keep it steady, Cody! Keep it steady!
I'm trying!
Just go straight!
All right!
Go faster!
Yes, I'm back now!
Right, well, don't crush the plane!
You're distracting me! Just take him down! Got more squirrels behind us! We got more trouble ahead!
Hey!
Right.
to say goodbye to the doll. Can't wait to smash your wooden face.
I can't wait to kick your furry ass.
Come closer, I'll break you.
Hey! Hey, how's it going up there?
Cody, steer the plane.
Okay, just take his ass.
Just keep flying. I've got this.
Take it easy, man. Hey, watch his move. Hey, you're not looking too good. Oh, you okay up there, mate? Oh, no, the wheel. Oh, no.
Hold on, Cody.
I'm trying. Oh, I'm losing my grip.
I'm here.
Ah. Oh, that was close.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Meg. Hey, mate, that fight, that was epic.
Yeah. Thanks, Cody.
Yeah, well, you know, on to Rose's room.
Yep. Hang on.
You think the squirrels would be mad about the plane?
Well, they shouldn't have stolen from us in the first place.
I'll never look at a squirrel the same way again.
Hey! Woo! Woo! Hang on!
Hey, there's the shed. Oh, and our house.
Aim for Rose's room. The window's open.
Yoo-hoo, here we go.
Hey!
Whoa! Oh!
Mummy, look who I found, Moon Baboon. Remember him? Oh. Do you have that headache again? Okay. I won't bother you. But when you feel better, maybe we can play with Moon Baboon again. And all the other space toys you got for me. We haven't played with them in a long time. Oh, and I talked to Dad. I think he wants you two to become friends again. Just wanted you to know.
That is the last time I'm flying by the seat of your pants.
Oh, haha, you're a real comedian, you know that?
Thank you.
Look, there she is.
Oh, I miss her. Do you think she's okay?
Oh, she looks fine. I mean, she's playing like nothing happened.
Thank goodness. Let's go and talk to her.
Yeah, but we should be careful. We don't want to scare her.
Are you saying I'm too harsh with her?
No, I meant she might get scared when she sees us. I mean, look at us. We've turned into a couple of dolls, remember?
Of course I remember.
Yeah. Are you really ready to talk to Rose?
Why not? She's our daughter.
Well, can you talk to her without fighting each other?
Of course we can.
Rose isn't the problem. He is.
She is. You see, I don't think you are ready.
Wait, is he trying to stop us?
I think that he is. And are we gonna let him?
No! Wait! What if we can't make Rose cry?
What? We have to, or we'll be stuck like this forever.
But she hardly ever cries.
Yeah, I know. Look, we'll figure something out, okay? We really need those tears. And the bigger, the better.
Okay.
There's a lot of pillows.
Yeah, it's a pillow fort. Rose and I made it. It's messy, though.
Yeah, well, you haven't played here lately.
You must have.
Oh, no. I'm not allowed here. Rose calls it mommy space.
Looking forward to blowing you up.
Your first hit's on me!
You won't hit a thing!
So close!
Perfect strike! You lost the battle and the war.
War is bad. Make love, not war, baby.
Oh, I love stars.
Right, light show.
Lights out. Lose the way.
Look! Rose is on the other side. The gate is blocked by something.
Yeah, it is. By some kind of force.
Oh, look! A video game!
Maybe they're connected.
Woo! Enter password.
Oh, wordplay. Lovely. Ah, it's got something to do with hacking.
You know, I thought hacking would be way more complicated than this.
It's just a game, Cody.
this still the game?
I don't know, but don't let it win! Dang it, it's too hard!
Whoa! Whoa, what's happening?
I don't know, but I don't like it!
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Where are we? What the?
Moon Baboon!
How do you know my name, traitor?
Because I bought you in the Space Museum!
Liar! Rose handpicked me at the Space Museum and commissioned me for a special mission. I am the only one who can protect Rose from the dark side of the universe.
Well, we're also assigned to protect Rose. As her parents, we...
Stop lying! Your mission is to make her cry!
We really need those tears. The bigger, the better.
What evil planet are you from?
No. There's been a misunderstanding. See, we just need to get a few tears from Rose to...
You won't squeeze a single teardrop from Rose! You'll be stuck here forever!
Forever? Did he just say forever? Oh my God, I'm having a panic attack. What should we do? In space, no one can hear you scream.
Oh, for goodness sake, Cody! Don't be stupid, we're not in space!
What? Just where are we?
Listen, Rose and I have played with her space toys so many times, I just need to find them. Oh, here they are! Hey, Cody, try this on.
Oh, snug.
Wow, it works!
What are you doing?
Cosmic inflation. The inflation theory behind the Big Bang.
Just stop it! Just turn it off!
Amazing!
Nate, just turn me back to normal!
Do you want to get out of here or not? Then we need to use cosmic inflation. And... space boots. Defying the laws of gravity. Woo!
How comes you get all the cool gadgets?
Because I'm cooler than you, Cody. Hey, let's find a way out of here.
Next time.
Can you not buy Rose a crazy space monkey,
Well, she
please?
was the one who picked him out.
Yeah, and you paid for him. He was
He was
terrifying.
just protective. Like you would be if someone threatened to hurt Rose.
Yeah, well, we're not hurting Rose. I mean, we just need her tears.
So she can have her parents back.
Agreed. Now let's move on.
To infinity!
Please don't drop it.
Yeah.
He's tall.
That must be Moon Baboon's communications tower. There's a control room at the very top. If we can get up there, I think we can make it out of here. It looks like some kind of force field. Let's ride it.
But we don't know where it goes.
Maybe it takes us out of here. Come on.
I can't stop spinning.
I see you escape from your cage, traitors! Mark my words, though, you won't make it out alive!
He really needs to take a chill pill.
Ignore him. Look at those portals. I think we could use them.
Oh my god. Now that was one hell of a ride.
Wow, nuclear fusion.
I'm not sure this was a good idea!
The pressure is incredible! Whew, that was intense.
Hey, Space Lady! How's it hanging?
Takes some getting used to, but I'm all right.
Okay, I have an idea. Next time, we avoid the lasers.
Wow, what an idea.
One day, you'll get moves like me, May.
Whatever, Cody. say so. Yes.
Wait, no! My world's greatest dad!
Plug. Oh, relax. Rose can buy you another one. Wow, okay. Wait, which way is up?
You're all right, May. Look, I'm up here. I mean, down here. Up. Oh, crap.
One portal down, 2 to go.
Yeah, we got this.